Hi, this is Peter with Springfield Ford, and I'm here with one of our great customers. Tell everybody about your experience here at Springfield Ford.
It's been a great experience. I bought my Edge almost 3 years ago, and I've been dealing with Joseph Mertz in the service department, and he's been the best service manager I've ever had. We've developed a personal relationship where usually it's just very coarse, and he's been awesome to deal with, so it's been very pleasurable.
Well, thank you for your business. We really appreciate you. And if you'd like to have a great service experience, call us at area code 610-585-3322.